Prakash ji. Mr. Abdul Wahab.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Have been made
Thank you, sir.
about, just a minute.
One minute, please.
Couple of time references have been made about the transfer of an honorable judge of a particular high court. I only wish to clarify in this honorable house that under the constitutional mandate there is a proper procedure of transfer of any high court judge, which in the instant case is the Collegium of the Supreme Court. And I wish to clarify that all the compliance, including the consent of the honorable judge, was taken before this process.
Thank you.
We only issued orders.
Thank you. Mr. Abdul Wahab, please.
Okay.
Anna and the timing.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Who is next?
Just
My God.
what is happening? Excuse me. What is happening now is with our talk, these things will be escalating instead of suppressing. Whatever happened, it was very sad and tragic incident happened. I request, now the government is sending a coronavirus how to resist. They are sending a team to Kerala. I request Honorable our Griha Mantri, what you call, Home Minister ji, to send a team to Kerala to see how we are containing the virus of communalism. In 1970, something happened. Immediately, the military flag march was there. Immediately, the same day, military had a flag march. Here it was not happening. So I request the Home Minister to send, even something happens in our one panchayat, the panchayat member, panchayat president in the MLA goes there and take remedies for that one. But here, okay, your constituency, there was happening something. But in India, a single MP is not going, MLA is not going. I am not blaming only BJP and Griha Mantri ji. Even our AAP, they are not sent. They have got how many MLAs there in Delhi? They are also not going. I am not naming anybody, but they are not equally, but they are also responsible. Delhi government also responsible to a certain extent. Okay, of course, Griha Mantri ji is 75%, and what is happening is this one happened. This one. Now, the AAP government, of course, they have told 10 lakhs rupees, this, that, and all. The central government also should make this one compensation. At least, now whatever happened is happened, to rehabilitate them. This is my request, first of all. And second thing, whatever happened, one by one, in Shivapuri, this happened, there's Mustafabad. I am not going to tell all this one. We all went there, and we have seen everything. And I am not repeating it again. But this should not be happening anymore in India, especially in Delhi. This is our simple request. And I am not mainly the community also, my community, your community and all. At least this should not be happening. Whatever happening, it is always happening to us, the most affected this one. So please stop this hate statements and all. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to deliver my speech on this one. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wahab. Mr. Vaiko.